I'm showing you how to manually update the Google Play Store on your Android device to ensure your apps download and run without errors. Usually, this happens automatically in the background, but if you're seeing glitches or app not compatible messages, you need to trigger the check yourself. Start by finding the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Once you are on the main storefront page, look at the top right corner for your profile picture or the initial of your name. Tap that icon to open the main account menu. From the list that appears, scroll down toward the bottom and select the gear icon labeled Settings. Within the Settings menu, you will see a few different categories, like General and Network Preferences. You want to look for the section at the very bottom labeled About. Tap that to expand it. This section reveals your current build version and legal information. Look specifically for the line that says Play Store version. Directly underneath that, you will see a blue link that says Update Play Store. Tap that once. If your store is already current, a small pop-up will tell you that the Google Play Store is up to date. If it isn't, the system will immediately start a download in the background. The important thing is to understand the trade-off here. By forcing a manual update, you ensure you have the latest security patches and features immediately, but it can occasionally cause the app to restart or lag for a moment while the new version installs. In my case, I prefer doing this manually whenever I notice my app downloads are stalling. Once you tap Understood on the confirmation message, you can back out of the settings and return to the home screen. The update will finish on its own without needing any further clicks. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.